Hey dads, let's get right to it with some quick mulching tips for the spring season. Let's talk about choosing the right mulch. Not every mulch is suitable for all situations. You're going to have different options, from organic options like wood chips or pine straw to inorganic alternatives like rubber mulch or rocks. The right choice depends on your specific needs, but remember, as they decompose, organic mulches enrich the soil, whereas inorganic mulches are long-lasting and great for decorative purposes. For my house, I'm using a triple shredded hardwood mulch that's been dyed black. Whatever you get, you might want to consider buying your mulch in bulk. Not only will this save you money in the long run, but you'll have exactly the amount of mulch that you need. There are plenty of free mulch calculators online that you can use, and I'm going to drop the one I use in the video description. It might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. Skip the weed barrier when laying down new mulch beds. I just added new beds all around the perimeter of my house, and I did a bunch of research about this beforehand. It turns out weed barriers can actually prevent water and nutrients from reaching your plant's roots. So instead of a weed barrier, apply a thick layer of mulch to new beds to naturally suppress weeds and allow nutrients and water to reach your plants. Speaking of, if you're designing something new, measure and lay out your mulch beds with stakes. For my beds, I used a tape measure and pounded these wooden stakes into the ground about 3 feet from my house. I wanted to ensure that I had straight, clean lines. I also used a garden hose on the outside of my stakes to outline the edge of my bed. This also works really nice for curved beds. When it comes to applying mulch, more isn't necessarily better. An ideal mulch layer is around 2 to 3 inches thick. This thickness is enough to suppress the weeds and retain moisture, while still allowing water and nutrients to reach your plant's roots. You don't want to lay your mulch down too thin or too thick. Too much mulch is going to suffocate your plants and create a water barrier, causing more harm than good. And there's 5 quick tips to get the most out of your mulching efforts. I hope you find these tips useful to start the spring season. If you have any questions, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, let me know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dad Built DIY for more helpful tips and projects for dads. Good luck out there.